back to the channel. My name is Ryan. This is Auto Detour, and today is an absolutely beautiful day. Well, today's the first Saturday in October, so that means it's the last Cars and Coffee. So we got to get out there for it. We are taking the Viper today. Rumor has it that Vipers melt in the rain. I don't know. Definitely controversial to take a Viper out in the rain in the Viper community. So we're gonna take it out today. We're gonna meet up with Racing Ram Fam and his Turbo Viper truck. It'll be nice to film another video outside the garage. I've been filming a ton of videos on the Turbo Grandpa truck. Holy cow, it's a disaster in the garage. Sorry about that. Need to get that cleaned up. But we've been filming the turbo build on Grandpa truck, and if you're new to the channel, be sure to go check out that build series. We're just wrapping things up with that here. Got a few things left to do before we get it started and get it tuned and on the dyno. So this is my 2000 Dodge Viper GTS, no stripes, all black, beautiful car, my dream car as a child. So let's hop in it, get you guys a cold start, and head on our way. Freeway now in a Viper in the rain, and we're doing just fine. So I mean, just like any car, especially one with lots of power like a sports car or even a supercar, you got to have a different driving style in the rain for sure, because if you're not capable of toning down your driving style to drive in the rain, yeah, it could get away from you pretty quickly. You know, I'm taking it easy, of course. You know, you don't want to hammer it on ramps or really push the limits at all, because I mean, obviously you don't have as much traction, and the Viper has lots of torque, so that's a problem in the rain. And with big old fat wide tires, that's not a great combination if you can't keep your foot out of the throttle. Now, obviously you want to be smart about it. You don't want to be driving when there's a bunch of standing water, where you're going to get into a hydroplaning situation. So you just got to watch out for that kind of stuff for sure. On another note, if you've never had the opportunity to watch the wipers work on the Viper, you should check it out. It's pretty unique. Isn't that cool? Now we're just about to Eric's house, so I'm gonna meet up with him. You'll see him here in a second, and then we're gonna head off to the show.
Good morning.
What's up, dude?
I got you some Mac Shack.
You come bearing gifts.
Yes, I did. All right, you ready to
Appreciate that. Yeah.
All right, cool.
So, you guys know Eric, Racing Ram Fam. He's gonna hop in Venom, the Turbo Viper truck, and we're gonna head off to the show.
All right, I'll follow you.
Okay. So if you think I'm brave for driving a Viper, a stock Viper in the rain, Eric's truck has over 800 horsepower and he's driving that guy in the rain. So, I mean, you gotta be careful, sure, but you know, you still gotta get out there and have a little bit of fun. I mean, everybody's different. I'm not gonna hate on the guys that leave their cars in the garage. I just like driving my cars. Eric likes driving his truck, and it's just, it's part of the fun of owning it for us. So anyway, that's enough about that. See you guys when we get there. Look at this guy. I'm always confused by people that ride motorcycles in the pouring rain. mean, it's not like it was sunny and then it started raining. It's been raining all morning. This guy clearly made a decision to ride a motorcycle in the rain, so. I guess I clearly made a decision to drive a Viper in the rain too, so. But that guy's getting soaked.
Dude, let me show you the other one though. I need to find the kid that needs it. Alright guys. This is the itty bitty one.
Check out Monoxide's prints.
Yes. Go check him out on Instagram and YouTube. Go check out Auto Detour on Instagram, YouTube, and Facebook. You have Facebook, Monoxide Facebook, right? Yeah, I got Facebook. And Facebook. I'm so bad
And
at
YouTube.
Facebook. And YouTube. I need to work on that so much more, dude. But he's an awesome photographer. He took photos of Ryan's stuff in the winter.
Yeah, when it was negative 20 degrees out, we took pictures of the Viper.
Is that the 7, by the way?
No, this is the 5. I ran over my 7.
Oh, yeah. GoPro made me 1,600% on the stock market the other day, so thank you, GoPro.
Yeah.
But no. I need to work on the YouTube side of things, man. It's been a hard knock life, but
It's just been slacking.
I've been so busy, dude. I put in a 110-hour week last week.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Ridiculous.
I'm just messing with you.
Yeah. No,
This guy has the most ridiculous pictures on the internet, so he works hard on them, you can tell. These guys just won't stop.
Here, let me do my sympathy.
Yeah.
I got it. They were going to my hands, I can tell.
Nailed it.
Nailed it. I'm not even using the crutch.
Hey, should we go check out this sweet Dodge Ram that some idiot put a huge turbo on?
Bro, who would do that?
Anyway, so then
What? Who turbocharges a truck?
Yeah. Is that a cast iron? You remember that one guy?
Dude, did you swap a V10 into this
How
thing?
did you get the Viper intake manifold on there?
Go subscribe, Racing Ram fam.
Oh.
That's this dude right here.
Thanks, guys. Thanks.
96mm turbo, fender dump for the wastegate.
I think Ryan should do a fender dump with
That-
the whole downpipe.
After spending like how
Get the
many
battery
hours
out of
trying
there.
to hide my boost gauge, I haven't put a fender dump
Where are
on
you
it.
putting the boost?
I'm gonna put it in the vent.
Yeah. So Cars and Coffee was Rev Fest.
Yeah. So this was very clearly the last Cars and Coffee of the season because everybody was revving their engines and
Yeah, and going crazy. And it's super rainy, so not a lot of people came out, so they're not being very strict about things. There's not a lot of people, so.
yeah.
Compared
So-
to the last time we were here, remember that? We waited in a line all the way through here, all the way over there. We parked over there. We had to walk over here and beg and plead to get into the show.
And now there was like maybe 50 cars?
Yeah, there's
60?
Five people here. No.
5 people, yeah.
There's a lot of, actually a good amount of cars. I didn't think anyone was going to be here.
Yeah. More people revving. Yeah, so pretty good turnout considering the weather. Handed out some stickers to some people. If you guys want some stickers, be sure to hit me up.
Hit me up on Instagram or Facebook at Auto Detour if you want a sticker. We'll hook you guys up with one.
Yeah. Eric will hook you up with a Racing Ram Fam sticker.
I'm actually out right now.
Don't hit him up right now. Maybe later. We're gonna head out, get some food at Chick-fil-A. Pretty fun turnout, considering. And it's kind of fun being one of the only supercars here because you get a lot more attention, which is good for advertising. But yeah, I talked to a lot of really nice, fun people at the show today. It's kind of nice when there's not a ton of people. I have more time to spend with you guys, the viewers, and people that just want to talk cars, and that's a lot of fun for me. So we're gonna head out, get some Chick-fil-A. Maybe you guys should come join us. Tried to find the cutest parking spot.
I guess I should have backed up.
I know. That's so adorable.
Booty.
So adorable.
You get the booty. Yeah, we're at Chick-fil-A. We're gonna go hang out. We had Mac Shack, so I don't think we're probably gonna get hot.
Made it to Chick-fil-A. Luckily Harris is still here. The boys from Venom Rally. Be sure to go check out Venom Rally. Auto Detour is a official sponsor of Venom Rally now, so go check it out. Let's grab some food.
Friends. Hey, don't you guys do like YouTube or something?
Nah.
Oh, never mind. That's a shame.
The Venom Rally crew.
What'd you eat, Doug? It was a chicken sandwich.
I got some salad left over for you.
Yours? Dude, give me that salad.
Here you go.
Thanks, man. I didn't think anyone would get that for me.
All right, guys, we just finished up at Chick-fil-A with Harris and Doug and the Venom Rally team, and Eric from Racing Ram Fam. So we're gonna call this a video for today. It's chilly, still kind of misting, but drove the Viper in the rain and it didn't melt.
Mine didn't melt either. All the people's cars there didn't melt, so
Yeah, it was fun. I enjoyed going to it. It was almost better with less people.
facts.
Because we had a chance to actually talk to some people.
And there was a lot of people still there walking around. So it was fun because like last time we went, it was so crowded. It was like we waited in a line for an hour. We didn't get in, then we got in and there was only 30 minutes left of the show.
Right.
This one we got right in front, and people there, it was a good time. Met a lot of nice people. So if you have subscribed to Ryan, hello, thank you for subscribing. And same for me.
Yep.
If you checked out Racing Ram Fam.
Go subscribe to
You
Eric.
just met me. Thanks
Yeah.
for checking out the YouTube channel, and thank you for subscribing. Hope to see you around.
If you guys are new to the channel, Eric has helped me a ton on the Turbo Grandpa truck build, and if you haven't seen that build, go check it out. Upcoming on that, he's going to help me weld in some pieces on the charge pipe for the turbo kit.
Maybe we'll get Ryan to do some aluminum TIG welding. We'll get him to try it out.
Yeah, maybe I'll learn how to weld. That would be handy.
It would be very handy. Yes.
So, and if you were at the show and you got a shot of me doing a huge burnout on the way out of the show,
Yeah. I was way
be
in
sure
front
to
of
send it to me because I didn't film it because I was driving. So, thank you guys for watching. Have a great day. Talk to you next time.
Keep it boosted.
That too.
See you later.